Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our official turnover of our Trabaho para sa Bayan plan to Cebu Province, care of Governor Pamela S. Vale Cuatro. A round of applause, please. And now let us please hear Gov. Pamela Cuatro for her message of support.
Thank you very much, Dev. This is going to be our lifeline. I know that we will cherish this and we will take guidance from national agencies, especially kaninyo. Thank you. Thank you. Salamat, Ani Ardijan and Dev. Mayong buntag sa tanan. Cebu is still in a post-sinulog mode. People were congratulating me. Congratulations for a very successful sinulog. Hindi ko nga, saan man akong ibuhat? I just let them be. So sometimes when you don't control and you just let Cebu City do their thing, so that's why it was a very successful sinulog. But I didn't really do much. But we have, and this is Marites part now, we just have celebration, common celebration, so that our guests from the national agency, they don't have to go from one place to the other. So it's a joint
Konsehal Kevin ay dara.
So we entertained our guests.
Konsehal Grace dara.
Anyway, good morning sa tanan. Ardijan, my buntag.
Kapitan Jason dara.
And RD Angel, Miss Evelyn Lacario, ARD, and atong mga RDC GAM, and Adiri Kanubuntag, and all officials and guests. Good morning to our partners in government, our friends from the Department of Economy, Planning and Development, representatives from the private sector, civil society, and all stakeholders gathered here today on behalf of the province of